Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and preserving data. Check your iPhone model and iOS 26 status in Settings. Make an iCloud or Finder backup so you can revert if needed. Once backed up, connect to a reliable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and plug the phone into power to avoid interruptions. Now, open Settings and tap General, then Software Update. This gets you to the install. You do this first to avoid lost preferences and incomplete updates. You tap Download and Install and enter your passcode when asked. This initiates the iOS 26 package. While it downloads, review automatic updates, enable for hands-off overnight installs, or leave off to control timing and reboot. Make sure you have 2 to 4 GB free. If not, delete large apps or offload media temporarily. Once the download finishes, the phone will prepare the update. Remain on Wi-Fi and power. This ensures a clean installation without aborted transfers. You finish by completing Siri setup prompts. Choose voice, language, and whether to allow personal requests. Once done, go to Settings Siri and search to confirm new toggles and permissions for apps. Adjust privacy or microphone access as needed. If something goes wrong, like the update failing or Siri behaving oddly, restart the device, then retry. If issues persist, use recovery mode to reinstall iOS 26 or restore your backup from Finder or iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.